Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a look at some essential spare parts for the S1S drone, specifically the propeller blade replacements. When you're flying, especially if you're pushing the limits or just have an unfortunate encounter with a tree branch, damaging a propeller is a common issue. Having a set of replacements ready is absolutely crucial to avoid downtime and get your drone back in the air quickly. These particular propellers are described as original accessories for the S1S drone. That's a significant point because using original parts often ensures the best compatibility and performance with your specific drone model. The information provided highlights that these offer complete functions and stable performance, which is exactly what you need from a propeller. Propellers are fundamental to how a drone flies. They generate the lift and control, so their quality directly impacts the stability and responsiveness of the aircraft. Knowing these are designed to provide stable performance gives confidence that the drone will fly as intended after replacement. One of the key benefits mentioned is that they can directly replace damaged original blades. This isn't just about having a spare. It's about having a part that is a direct fit and functions identically to the one it's replacing. The ease of installation is also highlighted, which is a major plus for any drone pilot. Nobody wants to spend hours fumbling with tiny screws or complex procedures just to change a propeller. Easy installation means less time grounded and more time flying. The fine craftsmanship is also noted, suggesting attention to detail in the manufacturing process, which contributes to the overall quality and balance of the blades. Well-balanced propellers are vital for smooth flight and minimizing vibration, which can affect camera stability and overall drone health. Furthermore, these are described as high quality for professional use. While many S1S users might be hobbyists, having parts built to a professional standard implies a higher level of durability and reliability. They are stated to be durable, wear-resistant, and have a long lifetime. This is important because propellers are constantly under stress during flight and are often the first point of contact in a minor mishap. Having blades that can withstand regular use and minor impacts without immediately failing adds to the longevity and reliability of the drone itself. Replacing worn or slightly damaged propellers proactively is also a good practice to maintain optimal flight performance and safety, and having durable spares makes this maintenance easier and more cost-effective in the long run. So, for anyone flying an S1S drone, having a set of these replacement propeller blades seems like a very sensible investment. They are presented as the genuine article, promising stable flight, easy replacement when needed, and built with quality and durability in mind. It's the kind of spare part that you hope you never need to use, but are incredibly grateful to have on hand when you do. They ensure that a simple issue like a damaged blade doesn't keep your valuable drone out of the sky for long.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.